PAFI's supersonic aircraft from South Korean. The Philippine Air Force is eyeing the South Korean-made KF-21 Borami, which is now undergoing development and flight testing as one of the possible contenders for its multi-role fighter project. PAF spokesperson Maynard Mariano made this remark when asked if the KF-21, whose airframe is described as stealthier than any fourth-generation fighter, is being considered for the MRF project. It is a possibility given that the MRF has not been funded yet. The KF-21 can be a contender for the MRF, he added in a message to the Philippine news agency Tuesday. Mariano said the PAF is closely monitoring the developments of the KF-21, whose prototype had its first flight last July 19th. The PAF is monitoring this. We cannot close our options when there are new systems that may be able to compete with other systems and which may fit into our requirement for defense. In this day and age, the prototyping stage for any system can be done faster due to the available technology, and we might see it fielded soon, Mariano said. The PAF's MRF project requires at least 12 units of fourth-generation fighters capable of integrating with existing radar systems and has a range of at least 250 nautical miles. If funded, this project is worth around 61 billion Philippine pesos. Mariano also expects the KF-21 to become a viable combat aircraft like the Korea Aerospace Industries FA-50 PHS, which the PAF has around 12 in service. Just like when we got the FA-50 seconds, there were a lot of negative comments against it. But we proved to the critics that the system can be made combat ready and was actually proven in combat, he added. The KF-21, which is also produced by Kaaway, is a South Korean fighter aircraft development program with Indonesian involvement, with the goal of producing an advanced multi-role fighter for South Korea and Indonesia.